How to hide games in Epic Games. So the best way to hide and organize your games is just by simply going to your library right here, then click on the plus icon here at the top to create a new collection. And once you're here, you simply need to name it, and you're just going to name it main. So this is what I do to basically hide other games and only see the games that I am currently playing. And to do that, just simply need to right click on the game that I want to add. So I'm going to add this one to the main. And now when I set it to the main menu right here, when I go back to store and go back to my library, as you can see, it doesn't go back to the all category, which makes my launcher easier to go around or hover around, since there are no other games, or it's not that cluttered since I've already made this one right here. But if I really want to remove the game from my library forever, what you can do now is just simply go to your settings here or your profile at the top, then click on settings, then scroll down to the very bottom and click on support. It's the only way to remove the game forever in your library is by contacting Epic Games support. And what you could only do in Epic Games Launcher is just by organizing it to hide other games, and you can really remove it permanently. And if you want to remove it permanently, you just need to go to support request right here and describe the problem. Let's say I want to permanently remove or hide Fortnite in my account, just like so. And once it's done, just fill out all the other options right here, then click on submit an email request and wait for Epic Games support to get back to you. And that's how I basically hide games in Epic Games.